Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will cook some delicious garlic prawns, so stay tuned. This recipe is amazing with any kind of shrimp or prawn you have. It doesn't really matter. Just be sure to use them fresh, not the half-cooked or the pre-cooked ones. The ingredients that we use for this recipe are basic, nothing out of the ordinary. We have some nice whole Black Tiger prawns, which of course need to be cleaned. If you don't know how to clean them, then click on the card in the upper right corner. This is how they should look like after they are deveined. Be sure to not throw away the shells because you can make an amazing sauce with them. We start by cleaning and slicing some garlic. For the exact amount, check the description below as always. We finally chop some fresh parsley. Be generous with it. It gives a nice fresh taste to our dish. In a pan on medium heat, we pour some olive oil. We add the garlic and the chili paste, but you can add dry chili too. We let it sit for a minute and we add the prawns. It is very important to not overcook the prawns. Cook them for less than 5 minutes, otherwise they will be chewy. We sear them until they get a nice golden color and we turn up the heat. We add the white wine and we season with salt and ground pepper. Last we squeeze some lemon, a touch of butter, and we are done. We serve these amazing prawns with bread toasts, but you can serve them with pasta or even rice. It's up to you. This amazing recipe is done in minutes. It is fresh, delicate and simply delicious. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, if you enjoyed our video, then feel free to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. It helps us a lot. Stay safe.